what's your Josh like for this India-Pakistan clash?
Josh is high.
Josh is always there for India.
Boundaries मारेगा, sixers मारेगा.
India Pakistan means we need runs and runs.
Definitely Hardik Pandya. I have high expectations from him.
सूर्या unpredictable है. वो सूर्या है.
In the upcoming India-Pakistan clash, आपको लगता है कि like previous और ये वाला अगर आपको compare करना, how do you think they should keep the pitch curation the same?
नहीं, I think that it will be the same pitch which they will not be changed because they are playing in the same stadium.
Who, according to y'all, is the legend of Indian cricket?
Send your champions thali. Let's see what the panelists around me have to say. Which dish do they give to which cricketer? We'll be missing him. Is Dhoni for a dal tadka?
ये तो I think आपने ये तो पता ही है आपको.
सेगमेंट तो चैंपियन थाली था, मेरे को प्लेट क्यों दी है? तो चीटिंग हो गया.
ये चैंपियंस को देखो डेडिकेट करना है बेटा. Hello there everyone, welcome to the 4th episode of Bat, Ball और बातें powered by Agami Realty, where we talk about the 2025 Asia Cup where India will be taking on Pakistan. Though this episode is going to be a little different क्योंकि हम बात करने वाले हैं about cricket का चस्का, where we combine two of my favorites, food and cricket, for the flavor of this season. Well, before we start off the discussion, let me introduce you to our unique panel. So first we have Chef Ishijot Suri, we have Nadeem Memon, and along with him we have Karthik Bajaj. So the very first question I want to ask all of y'all, what's your Josh like for this India-Pakistan clash?
I think Josh is high and everybody is excited because first match we've already won. So we hope to get the second one also through easily.
See, Josh is always there for India when India and Pakistan is playing because entire 1 crore 40 lakhs people want to watch India-Pakistan and we are always for India. So India and India.
I'm eagerly waiting for the 21st to again see how India performs against Pakistan. So I'm damn excited and I'm aware, I mean everyone is very excited for that.
So what's your mood like, if you had to say? कर देंगे kinds.
वो हो तो जाएगा, इतने तो confident हूँ मैं.
Okay, so Chef, first question I want to ask you is, Men in Blue are champions even of our heart. If you had to design a thali for them, champions thali बोल सकते हैं, कैसे आप design करोगे?
Champions thali is they're all champions and each of them has a uniqueness. So I would compare everybody to a food. So let's go in with somebody like a Rohit Sharma. So, he has clean working, very smooth finishes to his strokes. He's good with his sweep, the cover. So, because of his creaminess, I would make a dish of butter chicken for him because as smooth as you can slice it and taste it. So, it has predominant a lot of flavors going in. So, yeah, that would be there. You look at the crisp bowling of Jasprit Bumrah, I would give him a tandoori roti because it's supposed to be soft and crisp at the same time. So that's how I think each person is having its own. So like if you go in for a salad, so you've got any of our all-rounders. If you take Ravindra Jadeja, so they are spicy, sweet, a mix of all worlds. So I would take it in those lines. And yes, each of them has their expertise and flavors that they bring to the country. So yeah, as a group, I am ready to do a thali for them.
I think I'll be very excited to taste that thali. Moving on to Nadeem sir, I think it would play a very crucial part, especially when, during the pitch preparation. But as a high voltage game ke time, when it's India versus Pakistan, how big of a factor is weather here?
See, Dubai right now, when I've been there, because I was there for India Pakistan on the league matches. So the thing is that वो जो pitch जो है और ऊपर का climate, there 42 का जो टेम्परेचर है वो तो टेम्परेचर है और दूसरी बात है कि प्रिपरेशन जो है वो T20 का प्रिपरेशन होता है जैसे कि मीन्स व्हाट वी हैव दैट ए ऑस्ट्रेलियन क्यूरेटर इज देयर हु लुक्स आफ्टर दैट एंटायर ग्राउंड एंड दे टेक केयर लॉट बट दे लीड लॉट ऑफ वाटरिंग which I've got that some clips also how they prepare the pitch in just such a heat condition in a day you could not even stand outside. But these matches are always in the evening time. So wicket to be safe. So they put covers on it, in the daytime, so they can protect the sun. Right. The grass should be protected very well. Then they should keep little watering so that they can keep moisture on the wickets. Then rolling is definitely we need runs and runs and runs. So definitely rolling is there at least for 1.5 hour daily 1 ton rolling is being put on it, and it's getting so the India Pakistan means that we need runs and runs. So that's why pitch preparation no problem, because pitch preparation only we are worried when we test matches are there. But pitch preparation on T20 we are very assured that if we will lot of rolling, keep the wicket dry, and runs will come.
Moving on to you now, Karthik. Tell me, as a true blue fan, who are you looking forward कि भाई इसको देखना है मेरे को like?
Definitely Hardik Pandya. I have high expectations from him. So let's see how he performs.
Talking about Hardik Pandya, chef, I'm going to come back to you. If अगर आपको हार्दिक पांड्या का बोलना है कि ये dish हार्दिक पांड्या, this describes him, what would you say? Because you're the
Hardik
true
Pandya,
flavor man.
He's the surprise element in the team. So he'll hit or miss, even we don't know. So you could have something sweet and sour done. He can be a chutney. He's an add-on to anything that you put in. So he's a complete mix with the complete team. So he's that addition that you keep as a chutney on side. So he's more of that, a sweet and sour, and can give a surprise element anytime. So I think that's how it would be for Hardik Pandya.
And like currently in the Indian, since I'm quite sure you have watched the last India-Pakistan match, in the next coming match, what are you looking forward to as a cricket fan, as a true blue fan?
As a true blue fan, I think everybody is looking at Sky. Now, how high he goes in the sky, again this time, it's all depends. So yeah, there's a lot of expectation from him, and he's got lots more on his shoulders than the others. And then we expect him to lead. So that's how we're looking at it.
Okay. Nadeem sir, since he spoke about Sky, you were there for the India-Pakistan clash as well as India-UAE clash. Which player at that in those moments stood out to you कि भाई he's handled it well from a pitch curator's perspective?
See, the thing is that against India, UAE also, and then India-Pakistan match. See, I have seen both the openers of India. They are all superstars. Because we have to put our money on these two openers only. Because Gill is today one of the best player for T20 also. Because another thing is Abhishek is coming up next superstar. Like how we used to see Sehwag, Virendra Sehwag is coming in the next step. I think we have all the youngsters should, and all the girls, crowd, supporters are supporting him so much. Right. Like he was like a Sachin Tendulkar in the Dubai Stadium. Wherever he used to go, people used to follow him, chilling and all these things. So I see Abhishek is one of the upcoming star, and we should watch and we should put our money on him.
Right. And I want to ask you कि like जैसे कि surface and conditions is वो बदलता रह सकता है क्या during the match hours? Is it there's a possibility that there might be, if there's a little dew or something like that, could it change the surface, the conditions? You think that can impact?
See, I was there that time. I've seen the ground also. Hardly any dew was there because there's a temperature इतना गर्म था, और then suddenly वो temperature के हिसाब से they were not that much kind of dew. That dew comes only month of October, November. So there were hardly any dew. After 8:30 something dew comes, because match starts at 7 o'clock, 6:30. So I don't think dew factor will come. One. Second thing, the players and the preparation of the wickets, all these things has been intact. Like means सब बोलते ना, सब तैयार है, सब plan है, everything is in plan. And wickets जो है, change of wickets no, because India Pakistan we need runs. Both, whether India Pakistan match, people want to enjoy and want to watch sixers and fours. So sixers का जमाना है और sixer ही रहेगा.
Okay. Now Karthik, since Nadeem sir said about sixers and fours, who are you expecting कि भाई ये तो boundaries मारेगा, sixers मारेगा?
100% has to be Sky. His hitting style is so different. So obviously it's got to be Sky for me. And I hope he plays well. Yeah, I hope he scores a lot of sixes.
Chef, if I had to ask you the similar question, क्या लगता है कौन सबसे ज़्यादा आपको लगता है कि मार सकता है? Sixers, boundaries?
I think he just gave the answer. The expectation from day one, I told you, from the first question is Sky should be leading from the front. So when I expect him to lead, I think the 6-4s also go into his kitty, right?
And if you have to say कि wicket सबसे ज़्यादा ये लेना चाहिए.
Bumrah?
Bumrah, okay.
It's very simple. They are the ones taking the
Hmm.
things in hand and are leading from the front. So yeah,
Right. And since you have so much experience, no one better than you can answer this question. You know, international standards while making a top quality pitch क्या होते हैं?
International, देखो, see, you have to put lot of time there, lot of आप क्या बोलते हैं, आपने टाइम देना चाहिए, और उसके ऊपर देखिए एक बच्चे होते हैं ना, बच्चे लोग को कैसे बड़ा करते हैं ना हम लोग, एक बच्चे को हम पालते हैं, बड़ा करके उनको बड़ा करते हैं, वैसा पिच को भी है. यू हैव टू टेक केयर, यू हैव टू लुक आफ्टर देम, then how to pitch is there, watering is there, grass cutting is there, proper rolling is there. And now suppose you want a fast wicket or slow wicket, so we need fast wicket. So what type of moisture we have to keep, what type of grass, whether it's 4 mm, whether it's 6 mm grass, where you want to run, a fast bowler can take advantage of that.
Right.
You see, this is the preparation is always there for test matches and one day and T20. Now 3 type of preparation has been done.
But you know, since you've worked closely, I think even with Surya Kumar Yadav, what kind of mindset you think with in terms of pitch? अगर pitch ऐसा है तो मैं शायद ऐसा करूँगा. What do you think on that?
See, सूर्या अनप्रिडिक्टेबल है, वो सूर्या है, मेरा ना सूर्या, तो आप उन सूर्या को देख नहीं सकते ना, वो सूर्या है. सूर्या हैज वर्कआउट वेरी हार्ड, ही हैज कम डाउन, उसकी जो जिंदगी है, उसकी लाइफ जो है, वो स्ट्रगल करके ऊपर आया है, और इसने जो मेहनत किया है, जो ही हैज वर्क हार्ड, ही टू प्रैक्टिस फॉर 3 आवर्स. आई हैव सीन हिम एट पारसी जिमखाना. हाँ, वो हमारी कितनी कांचे तोड़ा है हमें मालूम है. ये जो आज तुम बोलते हो वो पैटर्न मारता है, वो पारसी जिमखाना में कितने कौले तोड़ा है, और बाबा जी लोग अभी भी रोते हैं. So the thing is that what I'm saying is that Surya has done, ये ऐसा प्लेयर जो है ना, मीन्स ऐसे डिकेज में एक प्लेयर निकलता है, वो सूर्या यादव है. डेफिनेटली वो उसकी जो यंगस्टर में, आई वॉच हिम अंडर 19, अंडर 23, देन रणजी ट्रॉफी, देन IPL, एंड नाउ ही बिकेम सुपरस्टार, and now he became our India captain. I think I only can wish him best that whatever he clicks means what is the, he needs the luck, that's all. And rest India.
Coming now, Karthik, to you, I think everyone would want to know कि when you're a fan, what is your mahal and how are you, like, are you going to go to a restaurant, or are you going to sit in home in the jersey? What's your plan?
So for all the India-Pakistan matches, now it depends. What is the mood like? Am I in a mood to watch it with my parents, with my friends, with my
You're
cousins?
giving like a very cringe look to that. Tell us your real plans, yeah? You're gonna go with a girl and on a date and watch the match. You can tell that also.
Then no. I think it's better to enjoy with my boys, with my cousins, because that's the craze. If kisne six mara, my brothers will jump and scream like that. Yes, and the environment is so nice. And obviously you vibe with everyone wherever you go out. Give it an example of a pub or a bar. There's screen and people go mad. It's insane, and that's the vibe I look out for. सब दोस्त बन जाते, कोई किसके बारे में नहीं सोचता, तू कौन मैं कौन, सब एक साथ आ जाते इंडिया के लिए.
Since you're looking forward for Hardik Pandya, sixer मारा या back-to-back wickets लिया, how will you like show your?
मैं टेबल पे चढ़ जाऊंगा.
Table पे, that's your vibe.
Yes.
Coming, Chef, back to you again. I want to ask you, is there any memory that you want to share with us while you were watching a match, or some moment that you want to tell us?
I think when India won the World Cup, and I was there, and that moment I don't think can be relived. So yeah, that's a different feeling. You understand how we all are attached. So you can be anybody from anywhere. So that attachment and that moment that everybody lived was very different.
Right, okay. Nadeem sir, coming back to you again, in the upcoming India-Pakistan clash, आपको लगता है कि like previous और ये वाला अगर आपको compare करना है, how do you think they should keep the pitch curation the same?
नहीं, I think that it will be a same pitch, they will not be changed because they are playing in the same stadium. So there will no change in it, except that if the team, now India, now curator is there, now you can't predict now. Tomorrow I can see the wicket and I can tell you what type of wicket it is, because which number of wickets, because there is a numbers wickets, So now last time they have played on same wicket. So if we are playing on the same time, then same type of wicket, because वहाँ wicket में कोई difference नहीं है. दुबई का wicket जो होता है वो भी गर्मी बहुत है, एंड 38 से लेके 42 के बीच में शाम के टाइम रहती है.
Right.
So the thing is that when we watching the match, that time 38 we were sitting in the stadium and that was so much humid, you know. Humid होने से क्या होता है, पसीना नहीं आता. जैसे हमारे मुंबई में पसीना बहुत आता है, वहाँ पसीना नहीं आता है, पर आदमी खड़े खड़े गिर जाता है. Sunstroke जैसा बोलते हैं उसको.
Right.
That happened. But I think wickets are very good because now once the wickets are prepared, so hardly they have to do a little bit watering after the match, and the same wicket they will repeat after 2 days. So there is no change in any wickets.
राइट. ओके शेफ, ना मेरे को ये सवाल एक्चुअली मेरे को ऐसे ब्रिक हो रहा है, मेरे को आपको पूछना है. व्हेन इफ यू इन द किचन एंड ऐसा बड़ा क्लैश हो रहा है, व्हाट्स योर लाइक, अरे क्या हो रहा है होता है, लाइक हाउ इज दैट जोन?
When we are in the kitchen and a match is going on, everybody has one ear having a earpod nowadays,
Right.
thanks to the world. सब कमेंट्री सुन रहे हैं, कमेंट्री दे रहे हैं. ऑर्डर में घपला होने का चांस सबसे हाई होता है. So that the day there is a match going on, that day we ourselves are more conscious because हमें पता है. And अच्छा, the funny part is during a match, if something goes wrong on a table,
राइट.
guest doesn't complain. You tell him, sir, हम लोग मैच देख रहे थे, गलती हो गई. बोला ठीक है 6 मारा 4 मारा. अगर आउट हो गया तो गाली खानी पड़ती है, बट अगर कुछ और चला गया 6-4, people accept, ठीक है it's good luck. So the luck and superstition still carries on. So in the kitchens even today, that if somebody is doing something and you will, it's the last, वो तो वही कर. Don't change what you're cooking. If you were a guy who's on the dal, you will do dal only today. You will not do anything else.
Right.
So that's, we also carry our own superstitions and continue. Yeah.
Lastly, I want to ask all of y'all a question. Who, according to y'all, is the legend of Indian cricket?
Today's
Today or from the past also you can say.
see legend,
All-time
definitely,
legend.
definitely पाजी कपिल देव का जवाब नहीं. कपिल देव जैसा आदमी और जो क्रिकेट को हमारा एक चेंज किया, एक रिवोल्यूशन बोलते हैं ना, वो चेंज करने का काम कपिल देव ने किया. देन डेफिनेटली आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द वर्ल्ड फेमस, हाउ वी बिकेम वर्ल्ड फेमस व्हेन वी वन 1983 वर्ल्ड कप.
Right.
And then we have lot of changes in cricket today where we are because of this kind of Kapil Dev का जवाब नहीं बोलते ना, वो कपिल देव का रियल में जवाब नहीं. he is a legend who has really changed our cricket from where we never think about beating West Indies team. They beat final.
Right.
We won the final. Then the changes, yeah, you see, and today we can beat Australia, today we can beat England team anywhere because the changes came. जो जवानी है ना, सब लोग बच्चे जो है, they started training on themselves and they want to become Kapil Dev those times.
Right.
So Kapil Dev is one of the legend.
Right. Chef, what do you want to say?
I think for our age, it's Sachin Tendulkar. So yeah,
Obviously.
because he's the god of cricket and we all look up to him. And see, being Indian, I don't know, he has a very different connect with everybody. Nobody is, in comparison, there are a lot of other players if you go to see playing wise, but the type of connect that Sachin has carried on even today, he still carries a very different place in every Indian's heart compared to any other cricketer. So I think, yeah, he's the real legend for us. Like I said, for them earlier it is Kapil Dev, now it is, Sachin Tendulkar, and I don't know, for the younger guys,
Last
I think
but
it would
not
be
least,
somebody
For
else.
the older legend, that has to be Sunil Gavaskar sir for me.
So that was a unique discussion, conversation we had all together. But stay tuned because हमारा cricket का चस्का round अभी भी बाकी है.
Kiara, this time around I have a little change for you. So
Oh.
I'm going to give you, like you asked, what about a thali? So I'm going to send you a
Champions
thali.
thali,
Yeah, I'll send you a champions thali. Let's see what the panelists around me have to say. Which dish do they give to which cricketer?
Done.
So I'll just
Super duper
prepare a thali
excited.
and get back to you guys, and I'm waiting for your reviews on it.
Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. We have spoken about the cricket legends. Now we have the legend of food and flavors, Chef Ishijot
So I told you, the thali is ready for everybody to taste.
Tempting.
Yeah.
शेफ, मेरे को तो आपको बहुत सवाल पूछने हैं थाली के अराउंड.
Yes,
पहले मेरे
please.
को आप बोलो, आप किसको क्या डेडिकेट करोगे?
जैसे मैंने पहले बोला,
हम्म.
रोटी crisp and soft,
Right.
Jasprit Bumrah. For Rohit Sharma, we have your butter chicken. Samosa, we'll do maybe somebody like a chatpata person, we could do maybe Sky. Hardik Pandya for a salad because he's mixed sweet, sour,
Right.
savory, all.
बराबर.
Paneer tikka, we'll give it to Virat Kohli.
हम्म.
We come with a little bit of gulab jamun. We should give it to somebody like Ravindra Jadeja because he's sweet, he's very composed. I think we'll be missing him is Dhoni for a dal tadka because look wise it looks very simple, but it has all the spice and all the levels
Definitely.
to handle. So yeah, that will give it to him. When it comes to the chutney, like I told you, we've got our bowlers that will be coming in for that. So we can give one of the chutneys to. Sorry, now you'll have to help me with this name. Which one is a better option to give for chutneys?
Since it's sweet and so do you think Rishabh Pant?
बॉलर को देना पड़ेगा ना, सब कुछ
Bowler.
बैटिंग कर दिया, बॉलर एक बुमराह छोड़ के कुछ नहीं डाला.
Sweet and the Rishabh Pant is the first one. If you have to give it to an all-rounder.
It's the query.
But I think instead of bowler, can I say Jitesh Sharma? Because kabhi to sweet, kabhi to sour. He's to like a total game changer. You
Then
think Jitesh Sharma?
We can give it to Jitesh Sharma. That's why I said that is one thing that you will have to decide on.
So I think that is Jitesh Sharma. Now, last question that I want to ask you is, in the previous segment, you told me according to you, the legend of Indian cricket is Sachin Tendulkar. Out of this, which dish would you dedicate to him?
Out of this, I wouldn't be because I know his favorite is Thai curry. So if I have to give him something, would be a Thai curry because he prefers having a Thai curry at any time. So for me, his standard dish is Thai curry, and I would always want to present that to him whenever I get a chance to.
I am super duper excited now to start the cricket ka chaska round. Thank you, chef, for this beautiful thali. It looks too tempting. Thank you so much.
Most welcome.
So let's start with our cricket ka chaska round, and this is going to be super duper fun. Our panelists will be blindfolded and they're going to be tasting dishes and they'll tell us who that dish reminds them of. So let's get started. Nadeem sir, here's your blindfold.
Okay. This is the plate. Wow. Now I should try to eat or what?
You have to pick it up and eat it. There's a spoon also if you want. What do you think it is?
Wow, favorite. Rasgulla.
No, wrong answer.
Rasgulla, what would you say?
It's a sweet dish only.
Sweet dish only. Rasgulla, yeah. Gulab jamun.
Yes. So, who according to you does gulab jamun represent?
Gulab jamun means always you can say Bumrah. Bumrah is the gulab jamun of Indian team. So Bumrah loves gulab jamun.
Okay. Second.
हो गया?
देख लो आपको क्या लगता है क्या है और किसको रिप्रेजेंट करता है?
This is dal tadka.
Yes, who does it
Lovely.
represent?
This is represents Rohit Sharma.
Why
Rohit Sharma dal chawal favorite. Our Indian captain Rohit Sharma, the World Cup का champion, he loves dal and chawal.
ये तो आपको टेक्सचर से ही पता चल जाएगा क्या है.
हाथ से भी खा सकते हैं ना?
हाँ हम तो इंडियन है हाथ से ही तो
क्या है?
खाते हैं हम.
This is Indian, typical Indian. Paneer.
Yes, it's paneer tikka. Who do you want to say it represents?
This is Abhishek Sharma.
Why so you feel?
Because Abhishek loves paneer. Because recently now he became vegetarian also. So whenever he goes to any restaurant or any, he loves, first he takes his plate in paneer. He loves paneer.
ये तो मैंडेटरी है ये तो आपको पता ही होगा.
ये रोटी और बटर.
Yes.
रोटी और बटर.
Yes.
ये रोटी और बटर.
Yes, तंदूरी रोटी. Mandatory. Who do you think it represents? Mandatory कौन है player?
देखो इसमें जो है ना शुभम गिल. शुभम गिल को है ना जो पराठा जो होता है ना जो हाँ ये पराठा खाने का काम जो है शुभम गिल को बहुत पसंद है. और ये ही इज अ पंजाबी.
Right.
So life goes without paratha नहीं चलेगा. It is paratha.
Right.
So Punjab and paratha are together. This is for Shubham Gill.
Shubman Gill. I think most of the matches feel incomplete without him as well. We have three
More.
things remaining.
क्या
I
करूं?
think this also he'll easily be able to say.
Something.
It's a gravy. It's like ये तो बनता ही है.
This is typical Chinese.
No, this is not Chinese.
Butter chicken.
Yes, butter chicken.
This is butter
right.
chicken for Surya Yadav. Surya Yadav with butter chicken. He wants butter chicken and he loves butter chicken. So this butter chicken knows as Surya Yadav.
अगर आपको बोलना limbo, अगर किसी क्रिकेटर को limbo से आपको कंपेयर करना होगा तो क्या बोलोगे आप?
Limbu means every when the drinks comes, so everyone likes the limbu sharbat, you know, lime water.
Right, fresh
That is-
lime.
yeah, fresh lime is one of the best drink where all the cricketers, the Indian cricketers, they love to have it when they break time. समझ में नहीं आ रहा?
ये तो हर कोई खाता है ये तो with food.
It looks like salad.
Yes, it is
टमाटर
salad.
है, ककड़ी है, पत्ते हैं. Very nice.
Which cricketer does it represent according to you?
This salad, typically, you know, nowadays, all the cricketers mostly, Rohit Sharma, love salad, and Kohli, Virat Kohli, love this salad. But
Right.
salad means uski jabi, when he left non-veg, now he is on a salad and he have 4 meals a day.
Right.
And this is a salad, I think, named after Virat Kohli.
Done. Now we have last dish. Yeah. हाँ, this one.
ये
Right. ये तो I think आपने हाँ, ये तो पता ही है आपको.
ये पंजाबी समोसा लगता है मुझे.
Yes.
ये हुआ
Yes.
पंजाबी समोसा. I should try.
Yes, definitely.
Yes. This is very good.
Who according to you now? ये कौन से क्रिकेटर को आप दोगे?
देखो आजकल तो क्या है, सब बच्चे लोग आया डाइट कंट्रोल में रहते हैं, समोसा कम खाते हैं, बट आई कैन टेल यू दिस विल सूट एग्जैक्टली हार्दिक पांड्या बिकॉज ही लव्स समोसास. सेकेंड थिंग, हार्दिक पांड्या जो है वो घर का खाना ज़्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं, तो घर में अगर समोसा बनाए तो ज़रूर खाते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे जो गुजरात में भी है ना, समोसा, पापड़ी,
Right.
जलेबी, सो समोसा क्लिक विथ गुजरात टेस्ट, you know.
Right.
So this is for Hardik Pandya. 100% Hardik will love this samosa, and especially it is made in the flavor of Punjab.
Right.
So definitely good.
I think you can now remove your blindfold as well.
अरे वाह.
But you know, you gave इतने हमारे youngsters का example, which according since you said before Kapil Dev for you is the legend of Indian cricket. इसमें से कौन सा फूड आइटम है जो आप उनको डेडिकेट करोगे?
कपिल देव देखो, कपिल देव when he came to, वो तो दूध पीने वाले आदमी थे. में से वो 5-5 लीटर दूध पी जाते थे.
Right.
और he used to run, and those time we were very young. We should watch him, and we should also run 8 to 10 rounds in the stadium. He used to run, and then he used to come, take a shower, and then he start bowling on the nets. Those days and nowadays जब 4 ओवर का जमाना आ गया है, T20 is the 4. These boys are 4 overs.
Right.
बॉलर को 4 ही ओवर डालना है.
बराबर,
You have to be very पक्का and too proper. Then same thing, batsmen, they know how to know. So जो practices है ना, और food में क्या है, they do lot of grilled chickens, you know. Grilled chicken, they take it, and then कपिल देव का टाइम पे तो क्या था, जो मिला बेचारे लोग को खा लेते थे.
Right.
बिकॉज जब लंदन में जाते थे तो सबके घर में दावतें होती थी, और दे शुड गो बिकॉज व्हाट हैपेंड, दे शुड गेट अनाउंस, दैट अनाउंस वो पैसा बच जाते थे. सो दैट क्रिकेटर दैट डे एंड टुडे दे आर द मिलियनर्स, दोस दे पीयर, दे वर वर्किंग
Right.
फॉर सम बैंक्स और सम employees somewhere.
True.
And Indian team also, Indian BCCI also, they should hardly pay anything for that.
बट अगर कुछ ऐसे फूड आइटम है कि ये तो दिस इज कपिल देव, दिस रिप्रेजेंट्स हिम.
सी कपिल देव का जवाब नहीं. कपिल देव को ये दाल डेडिकेट कर सकता हूँ, और ये रोटी कपिल देव को, और समोसा, पंजाबी समोसा, ये कपिल देव, ये हरियाणा हमारे भाई है. कपिल देव का जवाब नहीं. ये 2-3 जो है, ये कपिल देव कभी रिफ्यूज भी नहीं करेंगे, आज भी दबा के खा लेंगे.
Wow, that was a very fun one. I तो enjoyed the episode.
यार ये सब क्या क्या करवाती है यार.
कर लेगा अपना वीडियो. अरे किधर जा रहा है? इधर भाई साहब, इधर. Well, Nadeem Menon spoke about his personal interactions with the cricketers and he dedicated dishes accordingly. Now we have a fan. Which dish represents which cricketer? Are you ready, Karthik?
Can I cheat a little, please?
No, cricket fans don't cheat. Even you know that.
Okay, ready.
Ready? Plate is here, so you can.
सेगमेंट तो चैंपियन थाली था, मेरे को प्लेट क्यों दी है? तो चीटिंग हो गया है ना.
ये चैंपियंस को तेरे को डेडिकेट करना है बेटा.
ये मैं क्या हाथ लगा रहा हूँ?
Guess करो. If you guess only, you will be able to say. You can take a bite. It's healthy. It's diabetic friendly also.
पनीर
किसको
पनीर
dedi-
टिक्का
Yes. Who would you dedicate it to? Who does it
स्पाइसी
represent?
तो बहुत है
Hmm.
वैसे प्लेयर भी बोलना पड़ेगा ना
Obviously. कौन है?
स्पाइसी एकदम अंगार हार्दिक पांड्या हैज टू बी हार्दिक पांड्या
Second dish. Which will you try? Take a bite and tell us.
समोसा
Crisp on the outside.
फुल ऑफ सरप्राइज फ्रॉम द इनसाइड आई थिंक इट हैज टू बी स्काई वो भी ऐसा ही है कभी भी कुछ भी कर सकता सरप्राइज सबको देता ही है वो
Unpredictable. Okay. Next, what will you be trying? Let's see. Yeah, try that. Can you guess what it is?
मिर्ची खिला दिया कि यार
मिर्ची मैंने you only put it with your hand on that. मिर्ची किसको डेडिकेट करेगा? तीखा स्पाइस किसको?
मिर्ची
मेरे तो दिमाग में ऑलरेडी आ गया है.
व्हाट डू यू थिंक मिर्ची कौन हो सकता है
Obviously, Virat Kohli, bro. He is like spice. When he steps his foot on the ground, bhai, it's like spicy. It looks like oof. Do you agree on that?
आई थिंक आई कैन एग्री विद यू
हाँ, इतना इसके साथ ऐसा रिएक्शन करो भाई, तुम ट्राई
ये
करो.
क्या है
और 2-3
खाना
मिर्ची
पड़ेगा
रखूंगी
ना।
मैं, रुक इसके लिए अभी. It's a mix of everything.
ये ऑलिव ना
Yeah. So basically you held salad.
ओह
And
सैलेड
salad is a mix of everything. So who, according to you, would you represent? Probably a all-rounder. Who does that dish
I think
represent?
someone who balances out as salad balances out your meal.
Hmm.
I think who can balance out the team?
I think Ravindra Jadeja, because he's good at everything. He's a mix of everything: fielding, bowling, batting, everything he can do. Now don't give me that reaction. I can agree. Give a better reaction.
Fair enough.
चलो अगला dish.
ये मैं 100% रोटी हाथ लगा रहा हूँ.
Mandatory. Who would you dedicate that to?
रोटी एकदम गोल फ्लफी लेकिन जब भी खाते तो सेटिस्फाई भी होता है तो आई थिंक
Like it's
हैज टू बी
mandatory.
रोहित शर्मा.
Rohit Sharma. Okay.
मेरे को
Have tasted with that. चटनी के साथ डाल दिया यार, थोड़ा लेफ्ट आता तो समथिंग मोर फन वाज
बोलना
देयर.
चाहिए ना.
अभी मेरे को यू विल नॉट आस्क देन हाउ विल आई से.
प्लीज गाइड मी कियारा.
ओके ना, थोड़ा रुक. हियर. This is the oof. I'm giving a hint. It's oof kind. See, I told you.
बटर चिकन
किसको करोगे आप डेडिकेट?
एकदम स्मूथ क्रीमी ना.
हम्म
मैं मिर्ची कैंसिल कर रहा हूँ विराट कोहली से. इट हैज टू बी विराट कोहली. फैन फेवरेट.
You can say mix also. It's okay. विराट कोहली is तो किंग कोहली.
कुछ बचा है
हाँ फिर वेट
फिर रात में रोहित शर्मा आ गया.
रुक. ये ले, ये
क्या लूं?
ये देख ना, ये दे रही हूँ मैं तेरे को.
ये खाना है
हाँ.
यार. ये नींबू है यार. इतना चीटिंग मत कर.
नींबू के इसको खट्टा and all it adds taste, which is that one player that adds like तुम्हारा वो आंखें पकड़ लेता है ऐसे kinds.
एकदम एनहांसमेंट के लिए ना ऋषभ पंत.
ऋषभ
हैज
पंत.
टू बी ऋषभ पंत.
But he's sweet, yeah. It's why I put.
एज अ एनहांसमेंट के लिए अभी तू उसको डालेगी टीम में तो फ्लेवर ही एनहांस कर रहा है ना.
जैसे आपकी मर्जी. और 2 चीजें बाकी है. So I'll guide you. Here.
ठीक है. दाल तड़का. ऑफ
बोलो,
टॉपिक
बोलो.
बट बहुत अच्छे.
बोलो तो which cricketer?
सिंपल.
Any youngster you want to? I think simple
Has to
cricketer.
be, I think Dal Tadka for me has to be Bumrah. Simple yet very consistent.
Point.
Delivers when it has to deliver. And no one can get bored of it, come on.
Obviously. Okay, last but not the least. सबका फेवरेट है ये, तो ये इसके बिना भी इनकम्प्लीट है यार मील.
ये क्या है?
You can break it. मैं दूँ तोड़ के.
बहुत weird लग रहा है मेरे को टच करने में. क्या है ये?
I don't know how to say. You want me to break it for you?
चिप है.
Oh God, you want me to break it
Yeah.
for you? It looks so tempting. Giving you want it. इसके बिना भाई मील इनकम्प्लीट है. ये
कैसा
लो.
चूना लगाती है मेरे को यार. मैं ट्रस्ट करके खा रहा हूँ छोटा सा बाइट.
देखो पूरा टुकड़ा ही ले लेना. टुकड़ा
गुलाब जामुन.
Yes.
शुभमन गिल.
Why?
Has
Why?
to be शुभमन गिल.
Why?
Very sweet. Fan favorite again. Cannot go wrong with gulab jamun.
Right. Okay, you've removed now. Last सवाल आपको पूछना है कार्तिक जी. Since in the previous segment you said you would like to that you had said that the legend of Indian cricket is Sunil Gavaskar. इसमें से ऐसा क्या डिश है जो आप उनको डेडिकेट करना चाहोगे?
Again, thoda ideology change, but I would dedicate Dal Tadka to Mr. Gavaskar. No show off, very consistent, and again, very homely. It's that personality that resonates with him.
Right. Thank you so much कार्तिक. मज़ा आया. मेरे लिए तो वो मिर्ची वाला पार्ट सबसे फन था.
गुलाब जामुन कहाँ रख दिया तूने?
वो तूने रखा है, वो मैंने नहीं रखा है. Anyways, thank you कार्तिक. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this episode. Let's keep our fingers crossed for Men in Blue because they're the true champions of our hearts. But before I sign off, I want to ask you all a question. Who, according to you all, is the legend of Indian cricket? Do let me know in the comments down below. Until then, keep cheering, keep staying excited, and I'll see you soon in the next episode of Bat, Ball or Bate. Until then, keep catching up with Kiara.